My Sandbox
by Jane Belk Moncure, illustrated by Rebecca Thornburg. Lara, can you trace the T for me? And how about cursive? Thank you. My T sound box. Little T had a box. I will find things that begin with my T sound, he said. I will put them into my sound box. I like toys. I will look for toys. Little T found a toy train on a train track. Did he put the toy train and the track into his box? He did. Little T found a toy tractor. Did he put the tractor into the box with the toy train and the track? He did. Then little T found a truck. He drove the truck up a tall mountain. He drove to the top, the very top. At the top of the tall mountain, he found 2 turtles. Did he put the 2 turtles into his box? He did. Then he found a toad. Did he put the toad into the box? He did. Now the box was so full that he could not see over the top, and he tripped. He tumbled down the mountain. He tumbled into a turkey. Turkey feathers flew. So little T made a turkey feather hat. He and the turkey tap danced together. Little T found a tambourine. He tapped the tambourine. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Little T, the turkey, and the toad tap danced some more. Then little T put all of his things into the box. Suddenly, little T heard a terrific noise. He ran into the tent. When he looked out, he saw a tiger. The tiger opened its mouth. The tiger's mouth had many teeth. I have a loose tooth, said the tiger. Please pull out my tooth. So little T pulled out the tooth. Thank you, said the tiger. Then little T and the tiger went inside the tent. They played with all the toys in the box. They had a terrific time. Little T's word list. Lara, do you want to repeat with me?
Yes.
All right. We have tambourine.
Tambourine.
Teeth.
Teeth.
Tent.
Tent.
Tiger.
Tiger.
Toad.
Toad.
Toy.
Toy.
Track.
Track.
Tractor.
Tractor.
Train.
Train.
Truck.
Truck.
Turkey.
Turkey.
Turtle.
Turtle.
And we have other words that begin with little T. Table.
Table.
Taco.
Taco.
Tape.
Tape.
Taxi.
Taxi.
Teapot. telephone,
telephone,
television,
television,
tie,
tie,
tire,
tire,
tomato,
tomato,
toothbrush,
toothbrush,
tornado,
tornado,
tray,
tree,
tree, and tuba.
tuba.
Thank you very much, Lara.
I want another.
Okay.